So what I bring you today, right now, I have in a smart and keyless entry. You can control this with Wi-Fi. It comes with the Bluetooth gateway, so it means you can connect from your Wi-Fi and control this. Now, the nice thing about the system I'm going to show you today, you can create special keys for multi-user. You can create keys that automatically expires after so many days or after so many hours. It's great for the rental. Now, this one is an IP65, means it's perfect for outdoor. Can you use this indoor? You can use this indoor. All right, so this is the deadbolt system. So you can take your old deadbolt and replace it with this, right? And now just punch the numbers there, or just use the app to get it into your house. The nice thing on this system, again, we can create temporary keys, we can create multi-user keys, we can create keys that only work Monday, Tuesdays, and Wednesday from that time to that time. You can create keys that automatically unlock the door. It's for the business, automatically unlock the door. It's at 8 o'clock in the morning. That's if you're looking for. So what we get, I took out of the box everything so we save some time, and I show you what we get here. Okay, so first, this is the main section. That's what we see from our side. I think it looks real nice, and it has a nice, beautiful finish. Also has the key, right? So if you want to, they said old school, still use the key as a backup. Old-fashioned way, we can still use the key with no problem. Okay, so allow you, maybe you just want to use the key and use the key, the automatic control for service, rentals, all those things, right? But it's always good to have the key in case you just forget to replace the battery. But the battery lasts long time, and anyway, you get a message on your phone to let you know when it's time to replace the battery. So it's always nice. Anyway, it has a jumper cable here, so you can jump it up in case, and all these key has that. In case you forget to replace the batteries and you don't have the key, you can always apply here use a USB cable with the power bank, and now you got electricity to power up that should not replace the battery, but the app will let you know. And this is a low power and USB, so, and I'm sorry, Bluetooth, so it eventually got plenty months, would not worry about it. But eventually, right, you need to replace the battery like any other system. So I think it looks beautiful. Buttons are easy to press. It's nice. I can hear when I'm pressing. I want to have the feeling that I'm pressing something.
I love that, because sometimes you're not looking at it, you're holding things, and if you want to do that, you know exactly what you're pressing. You're pressing.
So now this we're gonna plug it in. So this we send it through the deadbolt. Now also, it comes with the deadbolt, but normally you will have this in your door, so you don't have to replace this part. You can just leave it there, use the original one. This is a universal part, right? They just give it to you because it's a whole system. Maybe you want to choose a door that don't have a deadbolt, so you want to install that out. It comes with this, okay? But if you have one already, pretty simple. Just leave it there and use that. And what else we have? We have all the screws and everything to do all the mounting. So you have to even the one for the default. If the one there, you don't need to install that out. All right, so you have all the so make sure the water doesn't get inside the door or anything, all the protection there, and all the parts are required to mount that. All right, so now we look in the inside part, and that the way you're going to see this, that's inside. We can lock it and unlock. So the idea of this is this goes this way, okay? So that's the way it's going to be, right? And then from here you can lock and unlock the door. So in reality, when you install this, depending how you open the door, it goes through there. So that's the way it goes in the door, and this one goes right there, okay? So that's the way you see it. And then from here, see, lock and unlock. If I power it up with power, I can press the code and that automatic will go, right? And then you will set up the screws and all those things that require for that. It's pretty a simple installation for that. All right, and this you got to pass it through the hole there. I'll show you that in a second. So now if you look in the inside part, okay, that's where you're going to connect this up. Okay, you're going to connect that right there. So we're looking from inside. This is the screws you're going to hold there, and then this is the battery. So anyway, you're going to use here is 4 double A batteries. I recommend to always get a company that you trust in batteries, and always get the high milliamp battery. There are many batteries that are regular batteries, some other ones that are the high milliamp. Why I say that? Because if you get high milliamp, it will let, if it's supposed to last 6 months, maybe you get 8 months out of that, or 9 months, or 1 year out of the batteries. Then what you get, this one is the Bluetooth. So we see here the Bluetooth gateway. This one will allow you to connect, because the system is Bluetooth, so actually this will connect to your phone. When you get close to that, you can activate that or reprogram from here, or you can connect this to the Wi-Fi. This connects to the Wi-Fi, and then this gets close to that, and that sends the signal to the lab. All right, so we have a power shoe. We need to power it up because this requires to be powered all the time. So it comes with a nice power supply, USB Type A and macro USB for the charging to power it up, right? I think it's a great system, you know, super easy FUC. As long as if you have everything already there, take the gut out, put this one out, and then follow the instruction. You will have to, you know, make the hole and do that a little bit competent work on the door. But that's normal. I would say that any type of lock you want to replace is a standard thing, right? Download either a Chuya or a Smart Life. They are both compatible with the iPhone. That will be iOS devices, and also in Android, works with all Android devices. No problem. I love that. That's what I use at home to, you know, turn lights and everything. So beyond this point, you can use it for all the smart devices as well.